got those turnip greens on. As you can see, we got onions in there with them. We got red peppers in there with them. We got all type of seasonings in there with them. See that sea moss gel? Sea moss gel, you just throw you some in there, a couple of scoops of sea moss gel, and you mix it in there real good with your greens. You stir it in there real good. We have a basil, oregano, sea salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, seasoned up all good right here. So we're gonna let these greens go for about 4, 5, 6 hours. This right here is the beginning. Here we go. Here we go, about an hour went by. That's what they're looking like after about an hour.